Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI score. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here we go to AI score and we click. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of AI score. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.